creatives, welcome back to the channel. So in my last post I showed you how to create your own portfolio, and I said I was going to show you how to create your first post here on Behance. Alright, so this is your dashboard, this is your profile. So to create your first post, click on this create a project button, then it will bring you to this page. So you can see image, text, photography. So these are all the things you can upload here. So since I'm uploading an image, I'm just going to click on image. So let's select, I'm selecting a few pictures from here, this and this, then okay. So you can see all the images I selected. So you can upload your portfolio videos here as well with your images. So this is one really cool feature I like here. So we click on this pencil or pen icon to show you numerous options. You can see reorder project, add caption, replace image, delete image. So if there's any image here you don't want anymore, you can delete it. Like this one, you can delete it. You can also replace the image if you don't like it, okay, or if you want to change it to something else, you can also easily replace it by clicking on replace image. Then so I said I love a particular feature, right? This is it, reorder project. So you can reorder your project. If I want this particular picture to be underneath and I want a different picture to be at the top, I'll just have to click on this reorder projects. So when I click on it, you can see all the pictures I uploaded. So if I want this one to be at the top, I will drag it up like this. You can see, then save new order. So you can see that the image I dragged to the top is now at the top. So I love it so much. Alright, so to proceed to upload the pictures, click on continue, then to bring you to this page where then this modal will pop up where you can upload the name of your project. So let's say the name of our project is Luxo. Then you can add your project tag here, like hashtag UI UX. So this is another thing I really love, because I don't have to start racking my brain for hashtags. So if you click on hashtag UI to bring out numerous options for you can select from. So you can select I don't see anyone I like here, so let's move to the next. Hashtag design. Okay, you can see this hashtag design UI. You can also see different suggestions directly underneath the project tag. So I'll click on this, I'll click on this, I'll click on this, click on this as well. So I think I'm okay with that. So let's move to the next one. So you'll be asked the tool you used for the project to design the project. So I use Figma. Just going to type in Figma here. So if you used Adobe Photoshop and Figma, you can click on Figma and Adobe Photoshop, or only Figma. Since I used only Figma for this project, I'm just going to click on only Figma. Then you can see what category does your project fall under. So I'm just going to click on products design, then visibility, everyone can see it. Then which other one? Does it contain adult content? No, so I'm just going to ignore that. Then publish. If you don't want to publish it yet, you can save it to your draft and post it later and publish it later, but we're publishing it now. So click on publish. So you can see that I have uploaded my first projects here in my new portfolio account. So just ignore this. Then you can appreciate your work. Be the first person to encourage yourself. You don't have to wait for someone else to like it before you like your project. So just appreciate. I always appreciate my work when I post it. So these are all the hashtags down here, the tool you used, all the information you filled in will be displayed here so that other creatives or your clients can see them. Okay, so that's it. You can also edit this is edit project over here, so you can edit this project. You click on edit project to bring you back to this page, so you can make all the changes you want to make to it here. So like I said earlier, if you want to change, you want to replace the image, click on here. You can download it as well. You can add caption. You can reorder the project, delete it also if you want to. So after editing it, you can check your preview here. You can check the preview of the project here. So this is how it will come out in your page when you upload it. Alright, then proceed to update the project. So after updating it, you can go back to your dashboard. Okay, so this is how to create a project in Behance. And you can also, I hope you find this video helpful, guys, and I hope to see you in the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done that. Okay, so it's a form of support. I always say that, a form of support. It means you like what I do and you like to see more of it. So it's like you're encouraging me to do more and to put out more videos. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share it, and also don't forget to like it as well. And also turn on your notification bell so you can receive notifications each time I upload new videos. Alright guys, see you in the next one. Bye.